That's the
Yeah, yeah,
science.
you stand.
Standard required residence time.
This is the AGS citing guidelines. How much
Okay.
time it takes to build up the liquid
Okay.
between I and I.
So if the response time cannot be, if the
Yeah, yeah.
exactly.
So
So
we have to work on
if
the
the
severity.
response, we have to work on the
So
severity
this
now. Yeah.
guideline can't challenge.
So that is why I'm saying
Response
that
time cannot
let
be
us make a
changed.
realistic severity. If if there is only one train and your customers are suffering, there is a lot of damage, lot of penalty, then you can go for high severity. But if your system
Yes.
is tripping, then probably you can go the optimum severity. I don't say do underestimation. I don't say go for overestimation. I would say that
Exactly.
let us go for optimum. I would say let us
Optimum.
go for
Yeah. Should
one.
be
Yeah,
optimum. Yes.
yeah. So guys, I would say that let us go for, A. For alarm, pre-alarm trip is A.
Okay,
Yes.
let's see. It is A.
If it is A, then it is P2. It is P2. Because A, if you see here, A means, low, low,
Another
low
table.
means,
Another table.
Another table. Go to the another table. Yeah. So A
so
here.
this A is severity. And in this case, no, it is frequency. Sorry, the one, notable. This should be one.
Notable.
Yeah,
This is a
one
6 by
means
6 matrix. I know 6 by
one
6
means low.
matrix, right?
One means low. Yeah, notable means low. So I
Yeah.
would say that let us go for
Should be
uh,
notable only, no? Because
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, notable only. Here we notable means low. So pre-alarm should be notable. I would say that let us go for pre-alarm is a notable. Correct?
Yes.
So let us make a rule set on case to case basis. We will review it, and otherwise we will go for notable.
Yeah.
Pre-alarm. I'm saying pre-alarm. If it is trip, then this is a different function, right?